Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I thought I would show you how to get money on your Pasmo card since it's one of the first things you'll need to do when you get to Japan.
Okay, here is a typical machine and it has an English option, so I'm going to that. And these entrance, the thing that's flashing, you're going to want to just put your card in there and then look at the options. So this is how much I have left on my card. And then you can select how much you want to add. I'm going to top it off with 20. And then if you have change, it goes in here. If you have a bill or multiple bills, you can put them in all at once. And you can issue a receipt if you need it. Otherwise, change is here. And your card is ready to go.
So that's it. It's pretty simple, really, but if you're anything like me, it really helps to just see a video first. I got so nervous about all those kinds of things when I first got here, and it just helped to go on YouTube and look up a quick video on how to get money on your Pasmo, or how to get a commuter pass, or how to use the ATM or print something. So I think I'm gonna make a little series of these short mini videos to just explain quickly how to do these basic things in Japan, since it really helps to see someone do it first before you go out and brave the public and try it on your own, at least if you're anything like me. So I hope these videos encourage you and that they're helpful. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.